Hello everyone. Today we will start our next topic, which is based on what? Rationalize the denominator. Means here it's a question of 1.5, question number 5th. All 4 questions are of textbook only. If you look at all the questions, look at the denominator. It's root 7 minus 6, root 5 plus root 2, root 7 plus 2. So here in all the denominators are what? Irrational number. We have to convert all this denominator into what? Rational number. So the question is what? Rationalize the denominator. So we have to convert all only denominators into what? Rational number. So we know that if I write root 5, so if I am going to multiply root 5 here, it's become what? 5. By multiplying irrational number with one more irrational number, it becomes what? A rational number. This is irrational multiplying with irrational, and I am getting the product rational. So something basic of this we are going to use. Let's start with first one. First 1 upon root 7. 1 upon root 7. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply and divide a number so that I have to get this denominator rational. So here it's root 7. So I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. Now if you think, why only root 7? By root 7 it becomes what? 7. और denominator क्या हो जाएगा? Rational number. So root 7 into 1 is what? Root 7. Root 7 into root 7, it's what? 7. So this is your answer. मुझे क्या करना था? सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर को रैशनल में कन्वर्ट करना था. That I already done. Now those who are thinking, हम ऐसे कैसे दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? Suppose if I write 2 by 5. Just for example, if I write 2 by 5 and multiply here 3 by 3. So actually 3 by 3 means what? It's actually 1. 3 by 3 is equals to what? 1. So if any number multiply by 1, the number value will remain same. इसका value क्या रहेगा? Same. Because we know that if I can cancel this 3 and 3, so 2 by 5 का value तो 2 by 5 ही रहेगा. So by multiplying and divide same number, the value of this whole number will remain 2 by 5. Second one, वन अपॉन रूट 7 माइनस रूट 6. यहाँ पे तो एक ही नंबर था, बट हियर बाइनोमियल इज देयर. सो वॉट एवर नंबर्स आर देयर इन बाइनोमियल, वॉट एवर साइन इज देयर, इट्स अपोजिट साइन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. यहाँ पे क्या है? रूट 7 माइनस रूट 6. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. इट्स अपोजिट साइन. Root 7, root 6. Root 7, root 6. So same number I am multiplying, dividing. So actually I am multiplying what? 1. और 1 किसी से भी multiply होगा तो value of number will remain same. Now 1 into anything, the number will remain as it is. Root 7 plus root 6. Now multiplication of these two. Root 7 minus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. Now this type of simplification we had done yesterday. That is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b, a plus b? It's a square minus b square. First term square, second term square, middle term sign minus. Apply same thing here. Root 7 plus root 6. First term square means root 7 square minus root 6 square. Root 7, root 6. Now square of root 7 is what? 7. Square of root 6 is what? 6. So root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 minus 6 is what? 1. So our final answer is root 7 plus root 6. If nothing is there in denominator, it means 1, and 1 is what? A rational number. हमें सारे डिनोमिनेटर को रैशनल में कन्वर्ट करना. Let's take third example. Now we know that here it is what? Here only it's third one. One upon root 5 plus root 2. In previous one, it's root 7 minus root 6. So we multiply its opposite sign. Now it's root 5 plus root 2. So I have to multiply its opposite sign. So it's root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. डिनोमिनेटर में जो साइन होगा उसका अपोजिट साइन से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना. root 5 minus, because 1 into anything will remain same. Now again it's root 5 plus root 2, root 5 minus root 2. Numerator as it is. Now again it's a plus b, a minus b. Both the binomials are same with opposite sign. So this is a plus b, a minus b. So a square, that is 5 square minus root 2 square. So 5 minus root 2 upon square of root 5. Root 5 into root 5, it's what? 5. Root 2 into root 2, it's what? 2. So root 5 minus root 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So this is the way we can complete third one. Now the last one, fourth. What is the question? 1 upon root 7 plus 2. 1 upon root 7 plus 2. Now here plus sign is there, so I am going to multiply it by minus sign. Root 7 minus 2. Root 7 minus 2. Now 1 into anything, it will remain same. Root 7 minus 2. Now this is what? Root 7 plus 2. Root 7 minus 2. Root 7 minus 2. Now this is a plus b, this is a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So this is root 7 square minus 2 square. Root 7 minus 2 upon 7 minus 4. Because root 7 into root 7 is what? 7. But 2 square, here it is what? Root. Here it is what? Only 2. Square of 2 is what? 4. So root 7 minus 2 upon 3. Now if you look at all the answers, here denominator is what? 3, which is a rational number. Here nothing is there, means 1, which is a rational number. Here denominator is what? 3, which is a rational number. That is what our question. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator को हमें rational number में convert करना था. So this is the way we can do it. This all 4 were textbook question. Let's solve some extra question. Fifth one now. 2 upon root root 3 minus root 5 and sixth plus upon now to rationalize this one, now I think you know what to do. It's root 3 minus root 5. So multiply with opposite sign. So root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5. Now this 2, keep this 2 as it is and this one in root. No need to multiply both the numbers. Keep it as it is. Now this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So a square minus b square. Root 3 minus root 5, root 3 plus root 5. Keep numerator as it is. Now a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 2 root 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus 5. Now we know that it's root 3 plus root 5 upon it's minus 2. So this minus, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So our final answer is what? Minus inside the bracket root 3 plus root 5, or we can write minus root 3 minus root 5, because this minus sign will change the sign of both the terms. If you write this answer or this answer, both are correct. कोई भी लिख सकते हो. So this is the way we can solve this one. Now somewhat difficult question. It's an extra question. Then also try to understand this. Here, first step, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5. As we know, we have to rationalize the denominator. Whatever denominator I can see here, I am going to multiply its opposite sign. So 5 root 3 minus, so I am going to multiply here 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. यहाँ पे जो साइन था उसका अपोजिट साइन से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया. मुझे हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर का ही अपोजिट साइन लेना है, बिकॉज आई वांट टू फाइंड, आई हैव टू डू rationalize the denominator. Now if you look at the numerator, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. So both the binomials are same. If I write x into x, so it becomes what? X square. If I write x plus 1 into x plus 1, it means x plus 1 whole square. वो क्या हो जाएगा? Square. ठीक है, दोनों टर्म सेम है. So same thing is possible here. Both the terms are same. So I can write here 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 whole square. But in denominator, it's a square minus b square. This is a plus b, this is a minus b. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Now we know the expansion, a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It's a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the expansion. So same formula I am going to apply for numerator. Square of first term 5 root 3 square, a square की जगह पे, then 2 into a into b and b square, 3 root 5 whole square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here I am going to write 5 root 3 and here 3 root 5. So this is what? Only numerator. Now in denominator, it's a minus b, a plus b. So this will be a square minus b is what 3 root 5 whole square. Now we're going to open this bracket. Now we know how to find the square of this. 5 square is what? 25. Root 3 square is what? 3. Now here 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Root 3 into root 5. It's what? Root 15. Again I am repeating. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Root 3 into root 5. Root 15. Plus square of 3, 9. Root 5 square is what? 5. So we got the numerator. Now simplify the denominator. 5 square 25. Root 3 square is 3 itself. Minus 3 square is 9. Root 5 square is what? 5. Now what next? 25 3s are. Here first one 25 3s are 75 plus 30 root 15 plus 9 5s are 45. In denominator is 25 3s are 75, 9 5s are 45. So add all the like terms. These two are like terms. 70, 45. It's what? 75 plus 45 is what? 120 plus 30 root 15. And in denominator 75 minus 45. It's what? 30 only. Now, is there anything common between in numerator? दोनों numerator में common है. 120 is a multiple of 30 because 30 4s are. It's what? 120. So in numerator, I am going to take out 30 common. 30 how many times? 120? 4 times. Plus 30 is already outside. So inside it will remain root 15 upon 30. So this 30 get cancelled. Final answer is 4 plus root 15. So again I am taking a quick revision of this. जो भी नंबर दिया है उसके डिनोमिनेटर के अपोजिट साइन से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है. Once you multiply divide, now both the numerators are equal. So a plus b is what? A plus b whole square. Now in denominator it's a minus b, a plus b. तो डिनोमिनेटर का क्या हो जाएगा? a square minus b square. But in numerator it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. तो पहले टर्म का स्क्वायर इधर 2, then first term, then second term, and last term square. अब इसका एक्सपेंशन 5 square is 25, root 3 का स्क्वायर 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Root 3 into root 5, root 15. 3 square 9, root 5 square is what? 5. And in denominator same thing, a square minus b square. 5 square 25, root 3 square 3. 3 का स्क्वायर 9 और root 5 का स्क्वायर 5. So subtract this two. 75 plus 45 120. दोनों में कॉमन 30. 75 minus 45 is 30. 30 get cancelled. So this is your final answer. So this is the way we can solve any of the rationalize the denominator. So whenever this question is came, rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply the denominator with its opposite sign if a binomial is there. If it's a single number like this, 1 upon root 3. So no need to change the sign, just multiply root 3 upon root 3. So this will be root 3 upon 3. Denominator क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? Rationalize.